Question number 12. Particle A. Let's see particle A. Move along a straight line and passes through a fixed point O with a velocity 2 meters per second. Velocity is a keyword. The acceleration a meter per second is given by A is equal to 9 minus 60, where t is the time in second after passing through fixed point O. So let's start with the keywords. Passing through fixed point O means t0. Velocity is 2, right? Important keywords. And the acceleration it was given. Alright, so let's start with the acceleration is differentiation of the velocity with time. Changes of velocity with respect to time is acceleration. So 9 minus 60. So first of all, we need to find the initial. Initial means the t0. Initial acceleration. So substitute t0. Initial acceleration is just 9 meters per second. Solve number 1. For number 2, velocity of particle A at t equal to 5. When t equal to 5, what is the velocity? Before that, we need to have the velocity function by integrate the acceleration. Now let's do it here. Velocity is integration of the acceleration given. So if we integrate 9, we get 9t. We integrate 60 square over 2. Don't forget to plus the c. And let's go to the question and see. This is very important. When t is 0, velocity is 2. 9 times 0 minus 3 times 0 square plus c. It means that the c is 2, right? So let's write again the velocity in terms of the t. So the velocity in terms of the t is velocity is equal to 9t minus 3t squared plus the 2. So now the question is asking finding the velocity at t equal to 5. So let's substitute t equal to 5 into velocity. So it's 9 times 5 minus 3 times 5 squared plus 2. So the answer for velocity is 45 minus 75 plus 2, which is negative 28 meter per second. So we have solved the part A2, right? So let's move on to part B. The maximum velocity of the particle A. Whenever we see the maximum, we will make the A0. Alright? So when the A0, what is the time? So let's go to the velocity. Velocity, okay, let's find the acceleration first. Acceleration is equal to 0 when velocity is maximum. So 9 minus 60 equal to 0. That means t is 3 over 2, right? So we are going to substitute into the velocity because the question is asking for maximum velocity. Alright, so maximum velocity can be found by substitute. Let's find here. Maximum velocity can be found if we substitute the t, which is 3 over 2 square minus 3 times 3 over 2 square plus the 2. So the answer for velocity maximum is 35 over to 4 meter per second. Alright, so we just let the a0 and substitute into the velocity function. Finally, we have to solve the most challenging one is this one. Another particle, which is particle B, moves along the same straight line and passes through the fixed point O is displacement. S meter is given by this, where t is the time in second after passing through fixed point O. Find the velocity of particle B in meter per second when particle A achieves maximum velocity. Alright, this one we have to start from the displacement. Here we are going to start from here for velocity of the particle B. From the velocity, we want to find the velocity, we need to differentiate. We want to find the acceleration, we need to differentiate another time. But here, find the velocity of particle B when the particle A achieves maximum velocity. Particle achieve maximum velocity. Just now we have let the acceleration 0 and t is 3/2. So we are going to use the t equal to 3/2. And how to find the velocity from the s? We will do differentiation to find the velocity. So it's 24t squared minus 2t, and we will substitute the 3/2 into there. So it will become 24 3/2 squared minus 2 times 3/2, and if we solve, we will get the answer, which is equivalent to 51 meter per second for the particle B. That's it about the kinematic linear motion. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.